Explain the working principle of a steam turbine. A steam turbine operates by converting the energy in high-pressure steam into rotational mechanical energy. This rotation is used to drive a generator or other machinery.
Difference between stress and strain. Stress is the force acting on a material per unit area. Strain is the deformation of material under stress. In terms, stress is the cause and strain is the effect.
What is the purpose of a gear? Gears are used to transmit power from one shaft to another and to increase or decrease the speed and torque of the output shaft.
Difference between heat and temperature. Heat is the transfer of energy from one object to another due to a temperature difference. On the other hand, temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of molecules in an object. What is a pump? A pump is a mechanical device used to move fluids, liquids or gases, from one location to another by increasing the fluid's pressure or creating a flow. Pumps work by converting mechanical energy from a motor or engine into hydraulic energy, which displaces the fluid. What is a pump curve? A pump curve is a graphical representation of a pump's performance, showing the relationship between the flow rate, Q, and the head, H. The curve typically includes other information such as efficiency, power consumption, and NPSH. What is pump head? Pump head refers to the height or pressure that a pump can generate to move a fluid. It is a measure of the energy imparted to the fluid by the pump, expressed in terms of height. The pump head is related to the pressure the pump can produce. The higher the pump head, the greater the pressure. Explain the concept of volumetric efficiency in compressors. Volumetric efficiency is the ratio of the actual volume of gas that a compressor draws into the theoretical volume it should draw in. It is affected by factors such as temperature, pressure, and valve design. What is the purpose of aftercoolers in a compressed air system? Aftercoolers cool the compressed air after it leaves the compressor, reducing the air temperature and condensing the water vapor in it. This is important because it prevents excessive moisture from entering downstream equipment. What is the purpose of a dryer in a compressed air system? A dryer removes moisture from compressed air before it is distributed through the system. Compressed air naturally contains water vapor, which can condense and cause corrosion, contamination, or damage to equipment. Common types of dryers include refrigerated desiccant and membrane dryers. What is CFM in compressors? CFM, cubic feet per minute, is a unit of measurement for the airflow volume a compressor can supply. It indicates the compressor's ability to deliver air and is a crucial factor for ensuring that the compressor meets the requirements of the tools or systems it powers. What is the purpose of an intercooler in a compressor? An intercooler is used in multi-stage compressors to cool the air between stages. When air is compressed, it heats up, which reduces efficiency. The intercooler helps to lower the temperature of the air, making the compression process more efficient and reducing the risk of overheating. What is a positive displacement compressor? A positive displacement compressor works by trapping a specific volume of gas or air and then reducing the volume to increase pressure. This type includes reciprocating compressors and rotary compressors. What is a compressor, and how does it work? A compressor is a mechanical device that increases the pressure of a gas by reducing its volume. It works by drawing in air or gas at low pressure, compressing it using mechanical energy, often through the use of a piston or rotary mechanism, and delivering it at a higher pressure for various applications. What are the different types of compressors? Several types of compressors, including reciprocating compressors, use pistons to compress air. Rotary compressors, use screws, vanes, or lobes to compress air. Centrifugal compressors, use a rotating impeller to compress air. What is the difference between a reciprocating and rotary compressor? A reciprocating compressor uses pistons driven by a crankshaft to compress air in stages, typically suitable for high-pressure, low-flow applications.
Discuss the efficiency factors affecting turbine performance. Turbine efficiency is influenced by factors like design parameters, operating conditions, temperature, pressure, and maintenance practices. Explain the working principle of a steam turbine. A steam turbine operates by converting the energy in high-pressure steam into rotational mechanical energy. This rotation is used to drive a generator or other machinery. What are the different types of turbines? Turbines can be classified into various types such as steam turbines, gas turbines, and hydraulic turbines, based on the working fluid and application.